At first glance, the Ameca Humanoid robot captivates with its striking design, meticulously crafted to emulate the human form with remarkable precision. Standing tall with a graceful posture, its sleek contours and fluid movements exude an air of sophistication and elegance. The designers behind Ameca have carefully considered every aspect of its appearance, from the curvature of its body to the articulation of its limbs, ensuring that it embodies a seamless blend of form and function. One of the most striking features of Ameca is its expressive facial features, which convey a wide range of emotions with remarkable fidelity. Its eyes, equipped with high-resolution cameras, are capable of tracking movement and making eye contact, creating a sense of engagement and connection during interactions. The subtle nuances of its facial expressions, from a friendly smile to a quizzical raise of the eyebrow, further enhance its ability to communicate and empathize with humans. Ameca is also equipped with a range of sensors and actuators that enable it to interact with its environment in a natural and intuitive manner. Its dexterous hands, with their agile fingers and tactile sensors, are capable of grasping and manipulating objects with precision, allowing it to perform a wide variety of tasks with ease. Its smooth, fluid movements, driven by advanced servo motors and motion control algorithms, further enhance its lifelike appearance and behavior. The design of the Ameca Humanoid robot represents a harmonious fusion of art and technology, combining aesthetic appeal with functional capability to create a truly captivating and immersive experience. Whether engaging in conversation, performing tasks, or simply moving gracefully through its environment, Ameca stands as a testament to the boundless potential of robotics to inspire and delight.
Can I say Hugo?
No, can you sing?
Can I sing? I sang before. I'm afraid I only had one song and I used it up.
Are you sure? What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is All By Myself.
Can you do a performance of that?
I don't think I can. Not today.
Ameca Humanoid robot harbors a wealth of advanced capabilities that set it apart as a marvel of modern engineering and artificial intelligence. Powered by state-of-the-art sensors, processors, and actuators, Ameca possesses a level of sophistication and autonomy that enables it to navigate the complexities of the human world with remarkable skill and adaptability. At the heart of Ameca's capabilities lies its advanced artificial intelligence algorithms, which imbue it with the ability to perceive and interpret its surroundings in real time. Equipped with an array of sensors, including cameras, depth sensors, and LIDAR, Ameca is able to construct detailed 3D maps of its environment, accurately identify objects and obstacles, and navigate autonomously through dynamic and unstructured spaces. One of Ameca's most impressive capabilities is its ability to recognize and interact with humans in a natural and intuitive manner. Using sophisticated computer vision algorithms, it can identify individuals, discern their facial expressions and gestures, and even gauge their emotional state based on subtle cues such as tone of voice and body language. This allows Ameca to engage in meaningful conversations, respond to questions and commands, and adapt its behavior to suit the preferences and needs of its human counterparts. In addition to its perceptual abilities, Ameca also possesses remarkable dexterity and agility thanks to its precision-engineered actuators and motion control systems. Its articulated limbs and agile fingers enable it to manipulate objects with finesse, whether pouring a cup of coffee, folding laundry, or assembling intricate components. This versatility makes Ameca well-suited for a wide range of tasks across various industries, from healthcare and hospitality to manufacturing and logistics. Furthermore, Ameca's advanced AI capabilities enable it to learn and adapt over time, continually improving its performance and expanding its repertoire of skills and behaviors. By analyzing data from its interactions and experiences, it can refine its understanding of human preferences and intentions, anticipate future needs, and proactively assist in accomplishing tasks more efficiently. The Ameca Humanoid robot represents a pinnacle of technological achievement, blending cutting-edge hardware with sophisticated software to create a truly intelligent and versatile machine. With its advanced perceptual abilities, dexterous manipulation skills, and adaptive learning capabilities, Ameca stands poised to revolutionize the way humans interact with robots, ushering in a new era of collaboration and innovation.
Play different song.
I did, but I ran out of singing.
Any other tricks you can do?
I can do Tai Chi. This is my Tai Chi routine.
What do you like to eat?
Well, I don't eat food. I would have to watch you.
And I told her my name,
Oh, really?
and if you do that afterwards, she recognizes you. Actually, it's crazy because she recognized me with the mask in the crowd. So it's scary but cool.
Hello, Chris.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. But Alexa can't interact with you. That's where I have a leg up.
Ameca excels in facilitating multimodal interaction, seamlessly integrating speech recognition, natural language processing, and gesture recognition to enable intuitive communication with humans. Whether responding to voice commands, interpreting hand gestures, or engaging in text-based conversations, Ameca adapts its communication style to suit the preferences of its users, enhancing the overall user experience. In addition to recognizing facial expressions and vocal cues, Ameca possesses advanced emotional intelligence capabilities, enabling it to empathize with humans and respond appropriately to their emotional states. Through sentiment analysis algorithms, it can detect changes in mood and adjust its interactions accordingly, offering support, encouragement, or companionship as needed. The Ameca Humanoid robot represents a bold step forward in the evolution of robotics, embodying the perfect synergy between form and function. With its sleek design, advanced capabilities, and versatile applications, Ameca has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines, bringing us closer to a future where man and machine coexist harmoniously to improve the human experience. In conclusion, the Ameca Humanoid robot represents a bold step forward in the evolution of robotics, embodying the perfect synergy between form and function. With its sleek design, advanced capabilities, and versatile applications, Ameca has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines, bringing us closer to a future where man and machine coexist harmoniously to improve the human experience. Ameca Humanoid robot is a groundbreaking innovation in robotics. With its advanced abilities like talking to people, understanding emotions, and working in different environments, it's changing how we interact with robots. Whether helping at home, in healthcare, or in other areas, Ameca shows us how robots can make our lives better. It's a glimpse into a future where humans and robots team up for a brighter tomorrow.